Good afternoon, and today we are here at the OC Fair. I'm ready to have some fun. I don't know about you guys, but let's get this adventure started. We have a lot to cover here at the fair, so I hope you guys are ready to join me. So let's start the adventure off and let's go see some animals. Did you guys excited? Oh well, we already got one. Her name is Betsy, so you know she's gonna be joining us on the adventure today. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go get the adventure started, shall we? Up here, it seems like we have some oxes here. We have two ox. I know on camera they probably look very small, but in person they are huge. Really cool animals though. It's really cool. Like really beautiful animals. Oh, he's looking stressed. Say hi, guys. Oh, he's coming. Hey, buddy. Hi. We see you. We see you. Oh, very nice. Really, again, cool animals. Got a beautiful cow over here. Aww, really cute. You have a little baby calf here. So adorable. Let me try to see if I can get another vantage point.
Probably says on the sign.
So adorable. Alright, now that we are done at the Millennium Farm, we're going to head inside to where all the rides, food areas, games are going to be at, and let's have some fun. Let's start the adventure off. Let's go. This is a really cool park slash fair, as you can call it. But before we can continue our adventure, we're going to try and find somewhere to eat. So let's go find somewhere to eat and eat some food before we continue the fun. So let's go. Getting ready to grab a bite at the All-American Classics. About to give me a nice burger. Let's get it. Alright, here's the first meal of the day. Probably the only meal, but we'll see. But yeah, got a nice regular hamburger. Some fries to go along with it. Alright, let's eat. Alright, let's give this burger a try. Really just your average regular burger that you would mainly get. This is grass, no, actually no. The patty is really good and everything, so good amount of lettuce. The ketchup is really good. So yeah, just your regular all-American burger. So I'm gonna go in and finish this burger and I'll check in with you guys once I'm done. We have some characters coming along. We got strawberry. Got Mr. Ice Cream. There you go. We got lemon. Hi. We got corn. And last but not least, the margarine. Aww. There they go. Alright. Let's get. Alright, first ride today. Let's go. We're gonna get on the creep show. Alright, let's head inside. god. What have I gotten myself into? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. Alright, now we're going to head over to Wild Rivers, which is a log ride. So it's kind of like a log ride, but it's a little bit like average. But it's a good ride though. So let's go ahead on that ride right now. Just got off of the log ride and I am completely I'm completely soaked. So I wasn't able to film on the ride, but I can definitely assure you that you will get soaked. In case you do come out to the OC Fair, just know you will get soaked on the log ride. So again, my apologies, I wasn't able to record on the ride, but it is a good experience. So yeah, let's go see what other rides we can get on. I'm here at the Coastal Spa and Patio booth here at the OC Fair, and right behind me we actually have a really cool, unique pool. So I'm gonna actually have one of the owner, well not the owner, but one of the workers here will tell you a little bit more about the pool. And yeah, let's see what information we can find out. All right, I'm here with Tracy and Kelly, who are actually the two workers here at the, Costa Spa and Patio. Sorry, I forgot the name already. Okay. But do you guys mind telling, giving me a little bit more information about this?
Well, we've got a huge selection of hot tubs and swim spas, and it's a privilege to be out here and help the community. Our business has been around for over 30 years here in Orange County, and every year it's a special event. It's nice to get back to regular times and seeing all the good people that are coming out from the neighborhoods and communities in the area.
Yeah.
And just having the time of our life, helping people relax, spend more time together as a family.
Yeah.
Life is good.
Awesome. Do you guys have any favorite hot tubs that you guys really love the most that you would just stay in for like maybe hours?
Swim spas.
Swim spas. Swim spas are amazing. Having been in the industry for 3-4 years, my COVID project, along with everybody else who's going doing their own projects, was a swim spa. And I thought to myself, why did I wait so long? 32 of the 34 years.
Right.
Just amazing how many people are realizing the dream of having a pool in their backyard and a place to congregate and relax, and something that's not as expensive or labor intensive as an income. Yeah, so we're having the time of our lives and we're making dreams come true.
Cool, awesome. What about you?
One of my favorite things about the swim spa as a mom is there's no phone. Right?
Gotta love to know phone.
Everybody gets in. Mom and dad are in the therapy seats, having a Mai Tai, been into Tony's and her in Hermosa Beach, and kids are playing on their little floaties. It's honestly one of the best things you can do for your family. I really believe that.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. Yeah, absolutely. And I totally recommend you guys checking out this place. This is just amazing. I love it. I might get a hot tub in the future. So, thank you guys again.
Well, hot tub, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you so much. All right. Okay, so something else that I forgot to mention is that they actually have a pool and a jacuzzi combo, which is actually really cool. So you can like swim over here, and whenever you're ready to chill, you can come on in here and just relax in the hot tub. That's incredible. I'm very tempted to jump in here. What do you guys say? Should I jump in? he's like, don't do that. Don't do that. But it's hot. It's hot. This is hot.
Fish him out with that pole over there.
Oh man.
Do this pole. Do the pole going
Oh, right there. He's going to fish me out with that pole. This is incredible. This is really cool, and they have a variety of hot tubs here as well. So you are able to purchase on site here at the OC Fair. So yeah.
Oh
Here, you're also able to purchase on site here at the OC Fair. So if you want to come over and purchase you a hot tub, then you can do that. All you have to do is just come on down and let them know which kind of hot tub you want, and they'll give it to you. So I don't know about discounts. That's something that you have to ask when you come over here, so that way you actually have the general idea. But again, this is incredible. I know I showed you guys the other tent, but we are at the second tent, and this is just incredible. I just want to jump inside, but as you already know, I don't have time to like jump inside here. It's hot, so I don't think jumping inside would be the best idea right now. So yeah, they also have multiple stores as well, so that way you can like check out on their website. They got multiple stores. So again, this is amazing. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. It's amazing. All right, now we're about to go down a really cool slide. So pretty excited. All right, let's have some fun. Let's go down this slide. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Yeah. All right, now we're gonna head on the crazy coaster. Let's fun. Woo!
I can see the whole car.
Pretty cool, huh?
That one right there? Yeah. Yeah.
You're good. You're good. Woo!
When it turns like that, I feel like it's gonna go off.
Whoa!
I didn't know I can do that. I never done this in a long time.
Oh my gosh! Oh jeez! Whoa! Oh my gosh! It's aggressive. A very aggressive ride. Alright, we got our last ride of the day, which is the Galaxy Coaster. Pretty excited for this one. Alright, let the adventure begin on this one. Oh my god. You're good, you're good. We're alright. Oh god. Whoa! 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 And that's going to do it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's adventure. I'll catch you guys on the next one. There was a lot of amazing things happening over here today. We got to hear some really good live music, some good POVs on the ride, try some really good amazing food. Today was a blast. I don't know about you guys, but today was a blast. I'll catch you guys on the next adventure with Paul. Have a great rest of your night, and with that being said, I love you guys and take care.